I chose Pax Cable because from their proposal pa lang, it was very clear in what they're going to do in my clinic. Kumbaga compare dun sa iba, alam ko na yung plano nila dun sa gagawin sa clinic. And when they installed the CCTVs, they were very clean, especially with the wires. They were very, parang arte sila sa wires na dapat talagang wala nag-show, which was very nice talaga. Kasi it made the clinic look a lot cleaner. Parang ganun, hindi makalat yung wires. And then, isa ding tinitignan ko sa mga providers is the after sales. So their after sales is very good. If may problems dun sa CCTV, napupuntahan agad nila. And very easy to use yung system nila. Kaya kahit malayo ako, nakikita ko yung clinic, kung ano nangyayari, and very easy to manipulate yung app. So yun.